Israel has the Iron Dome, but did you know India built its own version, the Akash Missile System, completely indigenously? Here's how India went from zero to a self-made air defense shield. It all started in the 1980s under the leadership of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. India launched the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, a bold move to create 5 indigenous missiles, including Akash, designed to protect India's skies. Akash wasn't easy. India had no access to advanced radar or propulsion tech, but DRDO built it all from scratch. Radars, solid fuel missiles, command systems, all in-house, all Indian. Over 200 Indian companies joined the mission, from defense giants like Bell and BDL to local MSMEs. Universities and scientists worked together. It was a true Team India effort, before Make in India even existed. After years of trials, Akash proved itself, in deserts, mountains, and even during live operations. By 2015, it became the first fully indigenous air defense system guarding our borders. Like Israel's Iron Dome, Akash can track and destroy multiple targets, resist electronic warfare, and cover huge areas. It's India's answer to modern air threats, designed and built completely at home. The Akash system isn't just a missile, it's a symbol of India's self-reliance and technological might. Like, share and subscribe for more stories of Indian innovation. Jai Hind.